all my years as a hairstylist, I have never seen a client this excited after an installation is done on her. So this my client came in and we finished her makeup, and I told her that I have a hair review to do. Like, I'm like, can I just like work with you? She's like, why not? So when we put the hair on, you can see how excited she is when we give her the mirror. Like, she took on the mirror and she was just feeling herself. I wish you guys, she was touching the texture. She was like, oh my god, Ife, this hair is so good. Anyway, let's get into the video and let me show you guys how I installed this hair first of all. Okay guys, so I got this hair from Yolissa. This is Yolissa Hair, and this hair came like this. And so this is just me unboxing the hair. It's actually a very nice hair. Actually, it's a 22-inch lace frontal wig, which is very nice. So it came with all these accessories and the clips, the hair bonnet, the hair band, and the wig cap, and everything, every good thing. That's equally the lashes, which I love. So every good thing that a hair comes with, so it has all of them. So now I brought the hair out. So this is equally a water coil. I think this is the first time I'm actually feeling like a hair is a water coil. It's nice. So this hair came pre-plucked and bleached. I don't even know if I would say it's pre, because this is well bleached. I love the bleached knots, not hair bleach, right? So they bleached the knots so well, which I love so much. And equally they did the plucking. You can see, this is me showing you guys that the knots are bleached, well bleached. And equally the plucking was so well done, you know. So I have to cut the lace because they didn't cut the lace for me. So yeah, every other thing was done. It's just the lace that I had to cut. So this is just me. Because of me, I used to cut the lace before I put it on the hair, which I'm supposed to do the other way around. I'm supposed to place the hair on and then cut the lace. But no, I do what I can do, and what I can do is to cut the lace before I place it on the head. Okay guys, so this is me. I told her to hold the hair for me while I cut. And let me tell you guys one funny thing, right? This lady here says she's not a fan of wigs. She prefer braids to, you know, like wigs. And I'm like, okay, so let's see if you can change your mind today. Okay guys, so after cutting the hair, I got my foundation to tint the lace down. You know, you have to tint it down to match the person's exact undertone, because the lace is going to be lighter than her. Of course, she's brown skin. So this is me just using her foundation shade to tint down this lace. You can see, so this lace is now matching her skin color. So when we are done with that, I put on the wig on her. You guys should not mind my hands and everything. So, and I have to put on the wigs on her, and then we are trying to make adjustments so that everything will fit perfectly in. So I'm just trying to, so the funny thing, the brand gave me this hair because it's supposed to be on my head. I'm supposed to wear it. So, but I'm like, let me just use a client. Let me hear another person's opinion, so that it's not all the time when I'm giving you guys reviews about hair and you think, oh, just because I'm wearing it, right? No, let me use another hair. So the wig cap is supposed to be my wig cap, not hers. So, but anyway, everything fits. Her hair is just a slight bigger than mine, but like it still fits and it's so perfect. Okay guys, so this is me just making an adjustment and everything. So after that, I didn't want to put on glue because she was going to remove my hair, and so I just used my holding spray to, you know, like spray it down and glue it down. Like, I mean, can you even see how this hair is looking? Like, it sits on her hair, like it's not all bulky or plucky and everything pulling out. No, everything is just so good. It's just me putting on the lace glue, holding spray to just hold the lace for the meantime that we want it on her hair. And so guys, I'm using the brush they gave me. I'm just using it to pull everything back, because of course I'm going to tie it. So if I'm going to tie it, I have to, like, you know, like pull all the hair back and make sure it is well the way I want it to be before I tie. So before you tie the hair, make sure you make all the necessary adjustments you want to make, because if you tie the hair and bring it out, because I'm using a spray, you might not get, like, making other adjustment after the spray might not be so easy. Okay guys, so after that, I'm using my water. So after I tied it down, I'm just using water to, you know, I'm using water to coil the hair, or, you know, like style the hair. Basically, it's just water, nothing else, just water. So guys, this is so nice. I'm just using my hand, and you know the feeling. I sometimes I do wish and pray that you guys can actually feel this hair, because I think all this while I've been receiving water coil and what, I think this is the first time I'm really feeling that a hair is water, because like when you put the water on it, it just flows, like it's just so nice, like it makes the hair so beautiful. And this is me, this this lady is something else. So what you just, you know, I could have just done a lot before this hair will get to the, you know, perfect shape it's supposed to be, but like just little water and boom, is so nice. Okay guys, so this is me. I'm just trying to make sure that I flatten the front of the front hair, so I'm going to be using my hot comb to do that. And so first of all, I'm equally using my wax stick, so you have to put on the wax stick so that I'll take away the flyaways. And I'm just trying to, you know, like use my hot comb to comb and style it the front very well. So I'm just doing that because this lady have never done hair before. She's a braid type of girl. I wish I can really play the voice note, the voice of this like her voice when she was talking, when she's done, when she wore the hair, like when she saw herself in the mirror. I wish I can play the voice, but unfortunately there was a music playing in the background. Because I'm uploading this video on YouTube, I cannot play that video because that audio is going to give me copyright. So, but I do wish I can play the audio. I'm going to try and see if there is any how I can maneuver some things and play some audio for you guys to hear, because you guys really deserve to hear her speak about this hair, how she felt about it. It's not just me. Now, this my client, it's just like, she just, it's not even her hair. So she just wore it and she felt so good. So I'm done styling the hair, and then I removed the band, and this is the outcome. Can you see the hairline? The hairline is looking so good. Even though I didn't do really installation, the hair melted into her skin so well. I love the outcome of this so well. I love how this looks on her. Her makeup, the hair, and everything is just so nice, on point, and amazing. It's not even me like, you know, trying to give shout out to a brand now. No, this is me being honest, because I love the length. I do feel like coily hairs, when they say it's 22 inches or something, the length wouldn't be this long, because like coily hairs mostly like don't look very long, you know, because like I really do like longer hairs. But I was thinking that the coily hairs is not going to be, this guy's making me laugh. I was thinking that coily hairs will not be so like long when it's 22 inches, but the length of this hair is really encouraging for a coily hair. So I am really
like, you see,
impressed with that.
People's hair.
So she's telling me here that she used to touch white people's hair, and now she feel like she have better hairs than them. And you know, she was so excited, which make me so happy, and I feel so fulfilled for, you know, like installing this hair on her, because she really mothered and carried this hair. She carried it with like her whole heart, and this looks so amazing. The length of the hair is so nice, the texture of the hair is so amazing. Everything about this hair stands out. Yeah, so Yolissa Hair, you guys did a great job on the, can you see, like, oh my god, like this looks good. This looks good. Like I'm going to recommend this hair that I'm seeing right now, like this particular hair, anytime, any day. It looks so nice. Yeah, so my client feels, she so she keeps touching it to show me that it flows like with no tangling, no nothing. I was telling her, of course this is a real hair, so it's not going to tangle or anything, so it's a very nice hair. Okay guys, so yeah, and this is it. This is the full length of the hair. Like, you can see how long. I can't really imagine that, because I think I have equally received hairs 22 inches hair before, and yeah, the length of this hair is really encouraging for it. And still hair, coily hair, really, yeah, it is nice. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.